Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 coolest new camping gear and gadgets for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just getting started with outdoor exploration, these products are sure to enhance your camping experience. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Musen portable Bluetooth speaker. This little powerhouse fits in the palm of your hand and delivers crystal clear sound wherever your adventure takes you. Perfect for clipping onto your backpack during hikes or hanging in your tent. It's built tough with a waterproof design. Plus, it features a handy 3-mode flashlight to light your way in the dark. It's not just a speaker, it's your ultimate camping companion. Next on our list is the Coleman Classic one-burner butane stove. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry to any campsite. With precise temperature control and matchless lighting, it's designed for quick setup and reliable cooking. The wind baffle ensures your flame stays steady, even in breezy conditions. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or cooking up a hearty meal, this stove is a must-have for any outdoor chef. Moving on to the Membrane Solutions straw water filter. This compact filtration system is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Certified to remove 99.99999% of harmful substances, it's perfect for turning any water source into clean, drinkable water. Its 5-stage filtration system includes activated carbon and ultrafiltration membranes, ensuring safety without altering the water's essential minerals. Portable and durable, it's your go-to for staying hydrated on the trail. Now, let's talk coffee with the WACACO Minipresso GR. This manual espresso maker is a coffee lover's dream, allowing you to brew authentic espresso anywhere, anytime. Compact and lightweight, it operates without electricity. Just add hot water and your favorite coffee grounds. With a few pumps, you'll enjoy rich espresso with a velvety crema, whether you're at the campsite or on your morning commute. It's coffee perfection in the palm of your hand. Last but not least, we have the Frigidaire Free 153 WA window-mounted room air conditioner. Bringing a touch of home comfort to your camping experience. This unit features adjustable side panels for a perfect fit in your tent or RV window. With multiple fan speeds, programmable timers, and a handy remote control, it keeps you cool and comfortable in any weather. Easy to clean and energy efficient, it's a game changer for summer camping trips. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best new camping gear and gadgets in 2024. Whether you're looking to upgrade your outdoor setup with portable speakers, cooking essentials, water filtration, espresso on the go, or even air conditioning, these products are designed to make your adventures more enjoyable. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gear reviews and outdoor adventures. Until next time, happy camping!